Hello everybody and welcome to REYTech Media. My name is Joe and today I just wanted to let you know about a giveaway that our friends at Android Authority are hosting, and they are giving away a Google Pixel 4a. Now, as you may know, this is Google's latest and greatest, not greatest in terms of performance, but greatest in terms of value for money. Now, as cheap as this phone might be, the performance and the value you get out of it is not as cheap as I was saying, but still the price might be out of bounds for some of you. So if you could get it for free, that's actually the best deal ever, right? So the giveaway is available for pretty much everybody in the whole world. It's an international giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is follow the link in the description. And there are a few steps that you need to follow inside the platform. This is Android Authority's platform. As you know, they are one of the biggest sites when it comes to reviews and news and everything related to the world of Android. So as a thank you, I am spreading the word. And of course, if you enter, I really hope that you actually get to win this Google Pixel 4a. So best of luck to you. This is it. This is short and sweet, and I hope to see you in the next one. In the meantime, God bless you.